Hello, I am Lee and my channel is Lee Work at Home. Thank you for joining me today. First, I talk about jobs that are hiring on this channel. Some are urgently in need of customer service representatives to manage either phone, chat, or emails. If this is something that you are interested in, please subscribe to my channel. Before we start, you will be presented with a brief video of tips for working at home with your kids. Afterwards, the jobs that are hiring will start. Following these job videos, you will be presented with some helpful tips for managing your career as a customer service representative. So let's get started and enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to click that like button.
Productivity tips on working from home with your kids. Rely on getting up before the kids are up. Communicate your schedule with your family. Tap into other family members to help while working. Set up a snack and drink stations. Get fun activities set up for the kids. Take your time to go for a walk together. Be kind with your family and yourself. Enjoy working at home with your kids. The first company is the 240 Tutoring Inc. They are paying $20 to $22 an hour for remote customer service agents. Do you like solving problems and creating solutions? Are you responsible enough to work on a small, remote team? If the answer to these questions is truly yes, then I need you to keep watching. This tutoring company is a small, remote team that is growing very quickly. They are looking to a DD team members to help us maintain our high customer satisfaction. This candidate will be work from home, require consistent hours of 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The pay is competitive with the option of medical and retirement savings benefits. On the technical side, the position requires working with G Suite, HubSpot, and our proprietary application. Fortunately, all that is very easy to learn. The big requirement for the job is a responsible personality that can commit to helping customers. They are looking for a quick learner that loves to check boxes, knock out emails, live chat with customers, and answer customer calls. While this comes with the commute-free flexibility of working from home, they need someone who can consistently work 9 to 5. If this sounds like you, submit your resume today. If you really want the position, send me a message that begins with your favorite dessert, and then let me know why you would be a good fit, how you think your previous experience will translate to the new position, and why you want this position. Position duties: handle and resolve customer needs through email, live chat, and Facebook. Work with other team members to share customer pain points so you can make the customer experience better. Have a consistently good attitude. Work Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. Skills: minimum of 5 years customer service experience, familiar with G Suite, Google Docs, Sheets, excellent written communication, good grammar, spelling, etc. Characteristic: integrity, responsible, possess a high degree of common sense, cares about helping customers. Job type: full-time. Pay: $20 to $22 per hour. Benefits: 401k matching, health insurance, paid time off, professional development assistance. Schedule: day shift, Monday to Friday. COVID-19 considerations: they are a fully remote company, always. You will not interact with the public in person. Experience: customer service, 5 years required. Education: high school or equivalent required. Work location: fully remote. Communication methods used: email and chat.
Next job is Seidel, and they are hiring customer service representative to work from home. They are hiring for both part-time and full-time positions. It is a remote position and it pays $15 an hour. Seidel is urgently hiring now. Seidel, they deliver millions of great experiences every day for some of the world's best-known brands. As a leading global provider of customer experience management, they depend on our 80,000 associates to help customers all over the world. That's where you come in. Seidel is looking for passionate customer service associates who can live and breathe our core values. They will also need you to know your way around a computer and be comfortable supporting customers through phone, online chat, or email. Customers will rely on you to answer their questions, address their concerns, and help them with a particular product or service. What does that mean for you? You'll be the voice of the brand, and it's up to you to develop personalized and memorable experiences between our clients and their customers. What are we looking for in you? Wow customers over the phone, online chat, or email, ability to multitask and adapt to changes quickly, enthusiasm and a be bold attitude with great customer service skills, a problem solver with keen attention to detail, a work-together approach with open communication, excellence in service, integrity, and accountability. Knows how to address customer concerns creatively and share feedback with other teammates. Build trust by working as a team member, as well as independently, with minimal supervision. Demonstrate a strong customer service orientation and take responsibility to ensure customers are satisfied. High school diploma or GED equivalent. Minimum of 18 years of age. What should you expect from us? Paid training from day one. Tons of growth opportunity. 93% of our non-agent positions are filled internally, a leadership team that hears your voice. When we work together we can accomplish so much more. Access to some pretty cool tools and resources, a feeling of accomplishment when you wow customers, ongoing training designed to improve customer experience and business performance, fun team environment where we work hard to build trust every single day. But that's not all. Here are a few more perks you'll enjoy when you join the Seidel team. Unique opportunity to work from the comfort of your own home while earning a regular hourly paycheck. Competitive starting wage, $15 per hour. Full-time shifts, up to 40 hours per week and paid overtime after a 40-hour week. A suite of benefits which include medical, dental, and vision. 401k, and Seidel will match 100% of the first 3% and 50% on the next 2% that you contribute to the plan. All company match as 100% vested. Seidel Scholarship Educational Program, Seidel employee discounts, strong community involvement, and no cold calling or telemarketing. So what are you waiting for? Visit Seidel.com for more information. Please note, a criminal background check will be conducted as part of the hiring process. Technical requirements, computing minimum specifications, desktop or laptop, Apple, Mac, tablets, Winbooks, smart devices, Windows Mini PCs, Chromebook, and Android systems are not compatible. Operating system, Windows 10, all peripherals must be wired, wireless keyboard, mouse, or headset are not allowed. A separate 19 inches monitor with 1280 x 1024 minimum resolution. This does not include monitors associated with an all-in-one or AIO unit. Antivirus, Windows Defender. Approved USB noise-canceling headset. Plantronics, Blackwire corded headset. For Windows systems, RAM, required 4 GB for Windows 10, processor speed, dual-core 2 GHz or better, free space 20 GB, 3 available USB ports. Internet minimum specifications, Internet speed, download speed 5 MB, upload speed 3 MB, ISP must be highly stable with no packet loss and latency over 100 milliseconds, DSL or broadband required, Wi-Fi, WiMAX, satellite, dial-up, and/or hotspots are not allowed, home router with wired link to PC. Job types, full-time, part-time. Benefits, 401k matching, disability insurance, employee assistance program, employee discount, flexible spending account, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, professional development assistance, referral program, retirement plan, tuition reimbursement, vision insurance. Schedule, day shift, Monday through Friday, night shift, overtime, and weekends available. The next company is AnswerX. They are hiring remote customer care support representatives. This job pays $13 an hour. AnswerX provides connectivity solutions to all types of businesses, from small to enterprise. SIP trunking, local DIDs in over 300 markets, toll-free and international. Job description, an inbound customer care professional is responsible for fielding inbound telephone calls, internet chat requests and inbound email requests in a fast-paced, dynamic environment with a focus on customer support using the phone, internet and computer skills, helping business professionals with lodging accommodations. Training provided. Scheduling, this position is full-time, up to 40 hours per week to start. Late mornings, afternoons and evening hours available, Monday through Sunday. Flexibility necessary. We are looking for energetic individuals to handle customer service communications. Must have strong written and verbal communication skills. Requirements: must speak fluent English. Anticipated start date for this position is July 15, 2020, but could be earlier. Must be able to type 35 words per minute or greater, be proficient in using a desktop computer running Windows, must be able to sit for extended periods of time in a chair. Qualified candidate must be able to meet the following work-from-home technical requirements: a high-speed DSL or cable connection, rated 2 MB down, 384K up minimum, 5 MB down and 512K up preferred. A dedicated home office space, which is free from distraction, and with a door that can be closed and locked. We may ask for a picture of this space. A personal computer running Microsoft Vista, Windows 7 with 1 GB of RAM and 2.0 GHz processor, minimum, 2 GB of RAM and dual-core processor, recommended. Windows the 8th of May be used with a minimum of 2 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor, 4 GB as preferred. Other requirements: a 17 inches flat panel monitor, minimum, 19 inches or greater flat panel recommended, a webcam, for training and collaboration purposes, wired networking connection, wireless is not permitted, laptops are not eligible for the Work at Home Agent program, able to submit visual proof of work at home environment by providing pictures of the workspace. Workspace must be a dedicated working environment with a lockable door that is used exclusively by you. An approved brand USB headset for VoIP. Hired agents will be responsible for purchasing a brand recommended USB headset. A list is available from recruitment. Approximate price is $40. The pay for position is $13 per hour for all new candidates. Restrictions: this position is only open to applicants residing in the following states: Florida. Individuals may apply online but may be required to travel to our office for follow-up interviews if selected. Background screening: this position requires each candidate submit to a background screening as a condition of employment. This employment screening is at no cost to the potential employee. The above job description is meant to describe the general nature and level of work being performed. It is not intended to be construed as an exhaustive list of all responsibilities, duties and skills required for the position. All position requirements are subject to possible modification to reasonably accommodate individuals with disabilities. Some requirements may exclude individuals who pose a direct threat or significant risk to the health and safety of themselves or other employees. This job description in no way states or implies that these are the only duties to be performed by the team member occupying this position. Team members will be required to follow any other job-related instructions and to perform other job-related duties requested by their supervisor in compliance with federal and state laws. Requirements are representative of minimum levels of knowledge, skills and/or abilities. To perform this job successfully, the team member must possess the abilities or aptitudes to perform each duty proficiently. Continued employment remains on an at-will basis.
Customer service is both a type of job and a set of job skills. As a job, customer service professionals are responsible for addressing customer needs and ensuring they have a good experience. As a skill set, customer service entails several qualities like active listening, empathy, problem solving and communication. Customer service skills are the set of behaviors you rely on when interacting with a customer. They can also be useful when following up after an initial conversation. For example, if you work as a virtual assistant for a technology company, you may need to help customers troubleshoot problems with their devices. To accomplish this, you will likely use several different skills. Communication. You will need to be responsive in a timely manner. You will need to communicate with them in a clear, easy-to-understand way to solve the problem. Empathy. Your interactions may begin with someone who is frustrated or unhappy. It is important that you understand and identify with the feelings of others and communicate accordingly. Patience. Clients and customers might ask several questions, be unhappy or ask you to repeat instructions several times. Patience is important to keep the conversation on track, remain personable and provide a positive experience. Technical knowledge. To effectively solve problems, you will likely need to know a bit of technical or industry knowledge to help them resolve the issue at hand. Customer service is used in many jobs at every level. To succeed in a customer service role, you'll need a variety of communication skills and personal attributes such as active listening, conflict resolution, empathy, nonverbal communication i.e., body language and eye contact, negotiation skills, organizational skills, professionalism. Depending on the position you choose, you may also need additional industry-specific knowledge and training. Practicing your soft skills can help you find positions and transfer across industries. Soft skills are any skill or quality that can be classified as a personality trait or habit. There are many soft skills that you could list on your resume or cover letter. Some of the most sought-after soft skills include effective communication skills, teamwork, dependability, adaptability, conflict resolution, flexibility, leadership, problem solving, research, creativity, work ethic, integrity. Customer service skills are traits and practices that equip you to address customer needs and foster a positive experience. In general, customer service skills rely heavily on problem solving and communication. Customer service is often considered a soft skill, including traits like active listening and reading both verbal and nonverbal cues. While traditionally you might think of customer care as a service from a business to a consumer, it is also applicable within a business. For example, you may be in a role that provides services to other, internal teams. In this case, you would want to ensure that you understood and were able to meet their needs. I hope that this information will help job seekers with a better understanding of the customer service industry and the type of candidates companies are looking to hire. Thanks for listening and have a nice day. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more job opportunities.